Hello everyone, it's Ada here. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you an Instagram tutorial on how to turn off active status on your Instagram, okay? So active status is when people can be able to tell when you are active on Instagram, okay? But when you turn it off, it cannot be able to tell people when you are on the app, okay? So that is basically what it's all about. The first thing you're going to do is to locate the Instagram app on your phone. You tap on it. So once it opens, you go down to your profile picture here. You tap on it. Then next, you go to these three lines here. You tap on it. Next, you go to settings. You tap on settings. Then next, you go to privacy. You tap on privacy. Okay. Next, you go to activity status. You tap on activity status. So show activity status. We are going to turn this off, okay? This allows accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you are active or were last active on Instagram app. When this is turned off, you won't be able to see the activity status of the other accounts, okay? So this is what you're going to turn off, okay? So once this is turned off, you are done, okay? So that is how you can turn off active status on your Instagram account. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.